This is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I'll quickly show how you can fix the slow system issues on this device. So if you feel like your smartphone has gotten sluggish lately, or its performance and processing speed does not match your expectations, or it simply does it slower than it used to, you can begin by performing a storage cleanup, taking care of your storage. And the easiest and most effective way to do that is to use the Google Files app. So launch it. Here, open the clean section and perform a thorough storage cleanup. It will come up with suggestions, which those suggestions are always tailored to your particular storage state and to your particular storage usage, perhaps. So simply enroll all those measures that it will suggest. In my case, it advises me to clean temporary and junk files, delete large files like the Gcam app, so I'll do that. And also it suggests that I do what? It suggests that I do nothing. That's it. That's all the measures. Those are all the measures that it suggests to me. Since my phone is new and fairly fresh, so my storage is not cluttered up, unlike in your case, most probably, of course. Now what you can also do is to launch settings, then enter the battery category, go into more settings, and switch on the high performance mode. And the final performance optimization that you can use is to switch on the RAM expansion feature. So enter the About Device category of settings, then tap at your RAM, turn on this toggle here, and select how many additional gigabytes of random access memory you would like to get. And in order for this option to take effect, restart your phone. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.